I've got the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. I love the watch. I've been using it with the band that came with it for a while now. There's a couple of things I don't like about the band, and the main thing is this big D-buckle with this big old metal piece right here. If I'm lifting weights, they'll press against this and pinch my wrist, or if I'm typing on a keyboard at my desk, my wrist tends to roll over, and I just find it to be a little bit uncomfortable. It was enough annoyance for me to go find something else. Enter this from Bandletic. Check this out. This band has a little clip that goes through the band itself, and then the rest of it holds together with high quality magnets. So let's get this on here and see what I think about it. See how hard this thing is to get off sometimes? I do like how with the Galaxy Watch, they did a great job of figuring out a way to make it to where the bands can be changed out real easily. Hit this little button here, and that band just pops right off. And then you do the same thing to get the new one on. You press the button, get the band into place, and then once it's in place, it locks in, and you're good to go. All right, now, all I gotta do is put that on my wrist like so. And then it does have, you gotta get your little, there, and just push that little piece through right here, and then it connects. So now it's on there. This is flat, so it's not gonna be in my way. I like it. If it hits, it'll just hit and then connect right back. It's pretty cool. So that's the Bandletic Magnet Watch Band for the Samsung Galaxy S Ultra.